house is haunted.
His power is beyond control.
We're the Dream Team. That's the nickname.
I'm pretty sure that's taken.
They're already dead.
You're gonna be deader.
Well, it's about time.
Surprise.
Oh, good. And now he's conjuring up a ghost army. That's not fair.
Disney's Haunted Mansion, rated PG-13.
Disneyland is your land. Here age relives fond memories of the past. And here youth may savor the challenge and promise of the future. Disneyland is dedicated to the ideals, the dreams, and the hard facts that have created America, with the hope that it will be a source of joy and inspiration to all.